In this video I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the W2. It's a proximity reader. This will be a part of our series on access control. So here we have the user manual. Please do take the time to read this manual. In the manual you'll find all of the wiring instructions. These are critical in terms of wiring this device up correctly. It depends on your lock that you're busy using. It depends on if you want an exit button, but please do take the time to read through this manual. It has got very clear instructions on how to wire this up. Let's have a look at the device itself. Okay, so we've got a remote here for programming, the mounting screws. We've got the manager's card and the manager's delete card on how to add users and delete users. And here we have our typical device with all of the appropriate cables for power, for lock, things like that. If you guys have got any questions or comments, or you need some help with your installation, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you.